number 5. Graphic design. Graphic design is the process of creating visual content to communicate information to people at different levels, location, and mind transformation. Considered to be a subset of communication design, graphic design is used to create visual content using elements such as photographs, colors, typography, illustrations, and icons. Being a student, the requirements to enter the design industry isn't much. It only requires creativity, willing to learn the use of softwares, time management, visualization, and good communication skills. The most interesting thing about graphics design is that it improves skill in visual design, good interpersonal skills, ability to work long hours, knowledge of typography, knowledge of color theory, and it gives you a graphical mind. Graphic design may require effective use of some softwares such as Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and InDesign. Some programming languages like HTML/JavaScript could be very necessary depending on how professional you are willing to go. Don't feel discouraged by the things you need to learn. A good mastery of 2 or 3 of these softwares could bring a net-breaking opportunity for you. Graphic design presents you job opportunities to work as a part-time support in organizations or industries such as print and publishing houses, advertising agencies, graphic design studios, TV and multimedia production houses, website development studios, e-learning companies, or even as a flash animator, layout designer, UI designer, or be a freelancer. I'll love to recommend lectures you could start with. Click the link in the description to get them sent to you. Skill number 4. Video editing. What if I told you that a good number of the YouTube videos you watch are edited by students who take it as a part-time job to foot their bills? Video editing is lucrative as the media is. All you need to get started is simply mastering the use of some cool softwares. You could even start by editing videos on your mobile phone. There are a good number of video editing softwares such as Premiere Pro, Movavi, and lots more. I'll include a link in the description where you could get a list of the softwares and start your career in video editing. Skill number 3. UI/UX design. According to Wikipedia, user interface, UI, design or user interface engineering is the design of user interfaces for machines and software, such as computers, home appliances, mobile devices, and other electronic devices, with a focus on maximizing usability and the user experience. In computer or software design, user interface, UI, design is the process of building interfaces that are aesthetically pleasing. Designers aim to build interfaces that are easy and pleasant to use. UI design refers to graphical user interfaces and other forms of interface design. The goal of user interface design is to make the user's interaction as simple and efficient as possible in terms of accomplishing user goals. Since UI entered the design industry, its demand has always been on the increase. As a student, it's relatively one of the most earning career with many opportunities. If you want to get started, you could start by taking a free course online, get a mentor, and in a matter of time, you will just be good enough to earn. Skill number 2. Blockchain. According to Euromoney Learning, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. The decentralized database managed by multiple participants is known as distributed ledger technology, DLT. There are career opportunities around the blockchain technology that are highly needed. Some of these opportunities can barely give you little or no time to combine other things. Some of these opportunities are blockchain developer, blockchain project manager, blockchain UX designer, blockchain quality engineer, and much more. The rise in opportunities in the blockchain industry is quite high. Hey! Remember to subscribe before you go ahead, hit the like button, and tell me the skill you will love to venture into. Also, add more skills you think every student needs to acquire in the comment below. Skill number 1. Software development. As you all know that behind every tech innovation or trending tech skills, there are men behind the mask. These are the developers. Software development is definitely a skill that won't fade out soon because every new tech innovation will fall back on these guys. You can start your journey to software development today, especially as a student. The first step to start with if you are willing to begin your journey to becoming a developer, especially as a student, is learning a language, building projects, joining a team, amongst other little tips that could kickstart your journey. In case you are new to programming, we have started a web development course on this channel, specially designed for upcoming developers all the way from HTML to backend. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified. We are also working behind the scene to bring you more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Besides, there are a good number of platforms you could start up your journey, such as Udemy, Free Code Camp, or W3 Schools. Did you learn anything new? Which skill are you hoping to start up with? Let's hear them in the comments section. Remember to like the video and subscribe. For watching this video to the end, I'll give you a bonus. Bonus skill: data science. According to Wikipedia, data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from noisy, structured, and unstructured data, and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application domains. Data science is related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. Data science gives you wide variety of opportunity in now and in the future. You could start up your journey by learning some programming languages that are data inclined, such as Python. The only disadvantage to full-time students is that it may not allow you to focus more on your books, as it requires much dedication. Besides, you could learn the languages, apply it in web development or any other field you think it's necessary, and quickly switch over once you're out of campus. Thank you for giving me these few minutes. You'll definitely have a great day ahead. See you in the next video.